Transform your home with Snooze Factory's incredible curtain rods, the ultimate window makeover solution. Are you tired of boring, outdated curtains? Ready to give your home the luxurious makeover it deserves? Look no further. Introducing Snooze Factory's revolutionary curtain rods, the ultimate solution for transforming any window into a stunning focal point. Our adjustable, easy-to-install curtain rods are designed to elevate your home's aesthetic and provide the perfect balance of style and functionality. Say goodbye to drab curtains and hello to a world of infinite possibilities. Crafted from the finest materials, our curtain rods are built to last. With a sturdy, durable design, they're perfect for hanging heavy curtains and withstanding the test of time. Say goodbye to flimsy, low-quality rods that bend or break. Snooze Factory's curtain rods are the epitome of quality and reliability. Our ingenious double rod design allows for seamless adjustability, ensuring a perfect fit for any window size. With our easy drill brackets and versatile pipe system, installation is a breeze, even for those who struggle with DIY projects. Say goodbye to complicated, time-consuming setups. With Snooze Factory's curtain rods, you can achieve the ultimate window makeover in no time. Snooze Factory's curtain rods are the ultimate in versatility and style. With a range of finishes and designs to choose from, you can easily find the perfect match for your home's unique aesthetic. Whether you're going for a classic, elegant look or a modern, edgy vibe, our curtain rods are sure to make a statement. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? With Snooze Factory's curtain rods, you'll enjoy unbeatable value and quality at an unbeatable price. Say goodbye to overpriced, low-quality rods. Upgrade your home with Snooze Factory's curtain rods and experience the difference for yourself. Don't wait another minute. Transform your home with Snooze Factory's incredible curtain rods. Click the link below to order your set today and experience the ultimate window makeover. With our easy drill brackets, adjustable design, and stunning finishes, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Join the Snooze Factory family and give your home the luxurious upgrade it deserves. Snooze Factory's curtain rods, the ultimate solution for a stunning window makeover. Don't miss out. Order now and start your journey to a more elegant, sophisticated home.